DJI is just about to release their new version of their O4 Lite Air unit. Hooray! This sounds like good news for everybody, but before you open your wallets, there are a few things to talk about. The old version here, a lot of people would say the biggest complaint about this, it is the field of view or the lens, and that's why people like Flywoo, I've got one in my little Oxbot right here, we had the wide angle mod installed. A lot of people were happy with that, and it looks like DJI is now going to be releasing the O4 Lite Air unit with that mod already done, like first hand from DJI. Now, this should mean a wider field of view, some better image clarity, probably pretty similar to what we can already expect on our current wide angle mod systems. But before you go out and make those new purchases and get some new air units, there is still going to be some issues that stick with the O4 Lite Air unit because it is not getting any new sensors, it's not getting any new hardware upgrades. Basically, everything, the internals that are in there are the same except for the lens. Now, what I would really like to see, and the biggest issue that I personally have with the O4 Lite Air units is when you use them on a really small little craft, you can get some crazy vibration. You can get a little bit of resonance here in the frame that travels through to the camera. And I don't know how much soft mounting, even though if this new wide angle mod does have better soft mounting capabilities, I don't know if the right amount of soft mounting is going to actually change that, because like you can see right here, I've actually got this one encased in foam, trying to remove some of those jitters when you're flying around on a really, really little craft. Fingers crossed though, it does come out with a new firmware update. That would be amazing. Maybe there is something that they can do with the actual software and firmware on there that changes the shutter speed or some other technical camera part, which is obviously well beyond my pay grade, but maybe they can fix something with firmware in the future. And unfortunately, it looks like for the DJI O4 Pro, we're still going to be having those same issues that people are getting with some of their gyro flow and some of those twitches and those sorts of things. So yes, DJI is releasing a new camera technically, or a new upgraded version of the DJI O4 Lite. But besides just putting a new lens on the front, it looks like it's going to be the same things. I'd love to know what you think. Can you even get DJI where you are currently flying? And a special shout out to some of my sources here who were like, hey Stu, here's some details. But if you talk about this before then, this is the only time that it's ever said DJI will sue you in big red bright letters. So okay, yeah, that was well understood, but it looks like we can finally talk about it now. But shout out to them for keeping me in the loop, and now we can keep you guys in the loop as well. Anyway, put your comments down below. I'd love to know what you think, and go check out DIY FPV. If you haven't seen this amazing builder right here, it's going to change FPV for you. I guarantee it. All right, happy flying.